Hi, this is Athena with Investors Corner. I wanted to give you a little heads up on what you're about to see. On July 7th, I finally got a chance to go to the BOXABL plant outside of Las Vegas. I've been following this company since 2019 and they have made so much progress. It's just so exciting. And I've been on many Zoom presentations, investor presentations about 10 times. Full disclosure, I invested in this company in 2024. So it was so cool to finally see the inside of these boxable units called Casitas. And they have made so much progress. It's incredible. And so what you're going to see in these videos that I'm sharing is going to be, one is a guided walkthrough of the factory number one. They show how their process is, how they put together the casitas and what they're made of, and lots of details like that. So if you like details and you geek out on that kind of thing, you'll be happy. It is a very loud room, obviously very high ceilings and lots of metal and concrete. So we did the best we could with the audio. And so then in factory number two, what we got to see is a couple of the prototypes and the R&D that's going on. So they have something coming out called a baby box, which is going to attach to the back of a car so you can travel like a tiny home, travel with it. And it's tiny. You'll see the video. And then they have a prototype for a townhome style one where it's upstairs, downstairs, and the staircase is inside. So that's a little more complicated than the simplicity of the Casita and the baby box. And then they had a two-bedroom put together. So we went inside those ones. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope that you're able to go see for yourself one day. I had a blast. And I'm so excited. BOXABL finally finished their merger today, the 17th, through their SPAC. They're going public. They are public now, and they will be trading on NASDAQ starting Monday. So if you're interested in that, check it out. And again, thanks for watching the videos.
Cost, quality, and efficiency. So that being said, we'll see the main production line for the Casitas today, one of our beautiful Casita studios out front, and then we'll swing over to Factory Building 2 to see some prototypes that we're working on for the next phase of our building system. And that does include a demonstration of the two-bedroom. It's the same size as the one-bedroom as well, plus one of the townhouses that we built over there.
Oh, wow.
Just to give you more background on the company itself, BOXABL was started back in 2017 when we started research and development on the Casita, the studio specifically, so that's the 361 square foot size. We built the first folding prototype of the Casita studio in 2019. Then in 2021 we moved into this facility here to start making production of the Casitas. Now we have 3 buildings in total, which give us about 400,000 square feet of manufacturing space with all 3 buildings. And they all serve different purposes. Here in building 1, we do the main production for the Casitas with the production line on the left. The second building is right across the parking lot in the back, used for parts production. And then the third building is just 2 minutes up the road, mainly for warehouse space and research and development at this time. So we do hope to have more buildings around the country eventually, but for now Las Vegas is our home. So our current production capacity out of this production line is about 2 Casitas per day, 2 Casita boxes per day. And I do say boxes because we do intend to build the studio 1 and 2 bedroom Casitas out of this very same production line. Now we can ramp up that number to 6 Casita boxes per day by adding additional shifts. However, we only have 1 shift right now. And the only reason we haven't ramped up yet is really due to regulatory approvals in our current sales pipeline. What I mean by that is, I'm sure you guys know housing is a very stubborn industry, right? It's very difficult to make any significant change. And with a new company like BOXABL coming in and making so many drastic changes, you can't imagine there's a lot of regulation and red tape to overcome. So at this moment in time, we have code approvals for our Casitas in 6 states, namely California, Nevada, New Mexico, Arizona, and then Texas and South Carolina statewide. Our strategy is to get statewide approvals in every state that has a modular state program already set up. And most states do anyway, but I'll dig deeper on the ordering process for the Casita when we get outside.
Okay, great.
Yeah, for now, let me cover what typically happens with the production line here. This first section is called staging. It's where we grab and assemble all the materials needed to construct the Casitas. And currently the Casita Studio, for example, is made out of 13 structurally insulated panels. We call these SIPs for short, and they're all made of the same primary materials. We use galvanized steel for the exterior, great for weather resistance, about 6 inches of polystyrene foam for the insulation. And because it is this thick, it should make for a very energy efficient house. Plus we make all the pre-cut holes and chases necessary for all the wiring of the Casita. That's all pre-done here in the factory. Then the interior is magnesium oxide, which is like drywall or sheetrock. It's very similar to those things. But this has special properties that make it mold, fire, water, and bug resistant as well. And then finally, we use some laminated engineered wood and PVC to frame these Casita panels. And the wood is never exposed. It'll be encapsulated the entire time. Athena, take a look.
It's amazing. Oh, it's pretty heavy too.
Now the way that we bond all the materials together is primarily using a polymer-based glue, which you can see up in these big storage tanks on either side of the production line. The glue is non-flammable, it's water activated, and it travels over to our glue machines right over here. Basically all the glue machines will do is they'll travel up and down the production line, depositing layers of glue onto the materials like rainfall. Ends up looking like a layered cake with icing in between pretty much, once everything is bonded. But at that point, we still have to cure everything. We would then move the panels over to the lamination stage. Let's keep traveling now. Also, please stop me if you do have any questions. So this was 800 square feet over here.
Okay.
This one is 220 by 30 boxes stacked. That gives you 1,200 square feet total.
Okay, wow.
This example is 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath.
Okay.
After you.
Nice.
Yes. Kitchen and half bath downstairs, bedrooms and full bath upstairs.
Wow. And do they have any idea what this is going to cost to the public?
Yes, approximately 130 bucks per square foot.
Okay, wow.
It could be lower than that in some circumstances.
Yeah.
It's a pretty competitive price point.
Yeah. I mean, anymore, we're like $350 a square foot.
Yeah.
They can tell you anything, but,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do it for, you know.
I hear that a lot.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna have enough room to back in here. All the primary water hookups for the Casita, such as the clean water inlet, the gray water outlet from the sinks and shower, and then of course the sewer pipe over here in the corner. So nothing runs underneath the Casita, it's all on the side. On this corner of the unit, you'll find the electrical panel, 100 amps for the studio, and then the condenser for the AC, all of which are included. Let's see the inside of the log cabin here.
That's cute.
AC on. Thank you.
I know, right? Now we're inside the studio right now, which is again 361 square feet. These are 9.5-foot ceilings on the inside. And as we saw in the factory, it does come with the kitchen and bathroom. Cabinets, countertops, and most of the appliances come with the unit. The only one that may not be here is the dishwasher. Those are only included for units going to California, since we installed the water heater outside. Every other state right now, we installed a water heater in that location. It's 30 gallons.
Oh. So you used up the space.
I did, yeah. Or rather, we did. On the opposite side of the unit, none of the furniture is included, so it is empty on this side.
Yeah.
Up to the customer how this is decorated.
So those are the stable finishes.
Yes, correct.
So basically, the GCs are unfolded and put the electric together or plumbing.
Connecting it, yep.
Yeah, takes about 2 hours.
You're looking at an hour unfold. Usually 3 to 5 business days to fully finish the unit, ready to move it. Usually when a customer orders one of these, we check 2 things primarily at first. 1, do we service their state? 2, do they own the land? And if so, we help them through a feasibility study. It's done in software now, so we can do a satellite view of the property, plan out how the home will fit on the land. And if everything looks good, we then provide a comprehensive quote for the entire cost of the project. I believe right now it's a $2,500 deposit to get the process started. But we'll coordinate all things related to permitting, site prep, delivery, install, etc. So we'll take care of all that for the customer.
What is the shortest time from putting down the deposit until finally receive the product on site? How long it takes?
Great question. Generally speaking, you're looking at about 6 to 9 months time frame under the normal scope of work. So anything unforeseen or unusual would affect that timeline, but that's a rough estimate for you.
That's just to get the casita.
Oh, that's the full project timeline.
Oh, okay. Okay. And that's if you do the wraparound service.
Correct. Well, more context on that. It's like from permitting all the way through final install. Even if you do the permitting in it and site preparation, that also could affect the timeline.
But how long does it take to get the casita?
After permitting and site prep are done, we release it a week or 2 after that.
Okay.
Really
And how long does it take for you to produce it? Like if I sign up now,
Yeah.
is it, because for a while it was quite a long, because you guys were gearing up, right? But now you're producing more.
Yeah.
So, but you had a backlog. So how long do you think it would take to actually get the casita?
There was a large initial wait list when the product first launched.
Yeah.
To your point, a lot of those folks are living in a state, unfortunately, where we can't deliver to this time. So that'll be addressed in the future once we get more coded.
But so you're prioritizing the people who can actually accept it and do
Yes.
it. Yeah, right.
We do have inventory to speed up that process. For the folks that are in an approved state, it's as easy as ordering on the website.
Okay, so if I ordered for California right now, how long before the casita's ready?
It's the 6 to 9 months.
Okay.
Generally.
Okay. But in the meantime, your contractor's working on permits and getting ready anyway, right? So
Yeah, in the meantime,
while you're producing the unit.
prepare the permits and the site prep, So all that stuff needs to be ready ahead of time.
Right. Yeah.
Is that the buyer's contract you mean? Contractor, I mean?
See,
Or
one more time?
is it going to be BOXABL's contractor setting things up, or is it going to be your private?
Yes, we have preferred general contractors that we use for the site prep and
But if you had your own guy doing it, that doesn't work, or?
that does work.
Okay,
We sell
that's
just
what
the
I thought.
unit, or you can use our all-inclusive
Your list,
package.
right?
Yeah. So for the unit only, it's $60,000 for the home. And for the all-inclusive, you're looking at $150,000.
Because that includes the pad and probably bringing utilities to the pad, like the whole deal, right? Okay.
Right. Yeah, trenching if we need to
Okay.
extend the utilities out.
Right. Okay.
Usually we just pull those from the primary residence if it's a ADU.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Square feet is this unit?
This one's 361 square feet.
It's like a hotel room, but it's spacious. I think it's the high ceilings.
Yeah.
Normally there is a back door right here, right across from the entrance.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's where
okay.
you would connect the additional box if it were the 1 or 2 bedroom.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That is, although then you wouldn't have the bed there. That would be weird to have a door right next to your bed.
Right.
It's different configuration. Wow, this is super cool. It's different to be inside one.
Totally.
Yeah.
They're lower than the unit.
So you just go, whoo, Oh.
We are exploring and letting the customer pick these up from the factory themselves. You can just tour away with it, yeah. Or we're exploring free shipping as well.
Tiny.
Wow.
Tiny, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, but it works. It's like on a train or a cruise.
Yeah.
A cruise home. Oops.
Good, definitely. But this is meant to move people.
It's called the baby box. And I heard you say that people might be able to one day pick them up themselves here and drive off.
Exactly.
Wow. This is brilliant. And this is the plumbing and stuff back here?
Yeah, your water tanks for your clean water,
Okay.
water, sewer.
Wow. That is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
And what's this one made out of?
These are sit panels, so
The same as before, the foam inside the metal?
yeah, it has the foam inside.
Okay.
But the outside and inside are fiberglass.
Okay. And are these two boxables side by side, or what is this one here?
Yeah, feel free to jump ahead, take a step inside. This is the 2-bedroom casita.
Okay.
The 1-bedroom is the same size as the. So eventually, we do hope California won't be the only state that has them. But we decided to go there first with 1 and 2 bedrooms.
So this is a 1-bedroom and a 1-bedroom?
It can be either or, correct? I'll show you the difference in a moment here.
Okay. I can't believe these splits cool these things down so well.
This one looks nice.
Yes.
Yeah, this looks like a real home. Right?
Yeah, it's incredible.
And AC on.
107 degrees, but it feels cool.
So the 2-bedroom casita is 722 square feet. These are 9.5 foot ceilings like a studio.
Okay.
Biggest differences are the countertops, the different material here. Your front doors are a different placement. And the AC system is over here in the middle of the house now. It's a ducted split system instead.
Well, this is a much bigger bathroom, that's for sure. Oh yeah, I like how you staged it so people can see how big it is, right?
Yeah.
'Cause- yeah.
So Athena, the 1-bedroom is the same layout as this whole thing, except this partition wall's not here. It's just
Okay.
one big bedroom. And
Okay.
there's only one doorway into it instead of having
Okay.
2 doorways.
Yeah, it feels much bigger. Yeah, that's a good size. It's surprising.
How much was this one?
The unit cost on this is $110,000 with the kitchen and bathroom and appliances. All in, you're looking at $210,000.
Still, you plunk this almost anywhere and the future value's like way more than that, right? The after repaired value's way more.
Yeah.
Yeah, the empty piece of land, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, your sister's lot, you could do that.
Sister's lot. Oh, yeah.
Over there in, what's the name of that place?
Salt and Sea.
Salton Sea.
There's a